How to fix Cloudflare verify you are a human loop. So if you want to fix Cloudflare verify you are a human loop, then if you're stuck in an endless Cloudflare verify you are a human loop, then you're not alone. In 2026, this issue has become surprisingly common due to stricter browser security settings, outdated cookies, or misconfigured networks. The good news is that fixing it is usually quick and straightforward. So I'll just simply show you the fastest and the easiest solution to break out of the verification loop and get back to your browsing normally. First is to go to the three dots at the top right corner of your browser and then go with settings. Now in the settings menu, you need to click on the privacy and the security tab, which will be on the left side. In here, you need to click on delete browsing data. And lastly, make sure that all the boxes are checked and click on delete data. And that's all it takes to fix the Cloudflare verify your human loop in 2026. With a few quick adjustments to your browser, cookies, or your network settings, you can bypass the endless checks and load the website without frustration. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.